Hello, people of the internet. My name is Cameron, aka the Furious Joker, and we're back. Well, not back, but I'm acting like I'm playing Counter-Strike or something. But my new mic has already come. Like, I know you can barely hear me with just my afterglow. So, the new mic already came. Check it out. My dad ripped off the package. He's like, Cameron, come here. I'm like, what? And he said, this mic thingy majigger. No, he didn't say that. He said, your mic came. And I said, well, don't show me it. I want to make an unboxing video. So, yeah. This is what it looks like. Obviously, to show you. You know, I'm so professional. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay. Wow. Hey, same exact thing, right? I'm assuming it goes like this. Is it the other way? I don't know. I'm really bad at YouTubing. Do you get me right now? Like, I'm really bad at YouTubing. Which way does this open? I'm so confused. I'm so dumb. Yeah, pretty basic, like I said. Can you see this warranty card? Can I see this warranty card? See that? Yeah, man. So, I don't know if you can see it that well, because my webcam is like all jiggered. What words am I using? But, yeah, pretty simple. Oh, this actually looks pretty good. I like the way, let me show you this unboxing video, right? I like the red wiring with it. I like this right here too. I don't know why, but I like it really much. I like it really much, right? You feel me on that one? Yeah, pretty basic. Hooks up to your computer right there. And you got the tripod thing. I don't know what to call it. Like, stand right there. And finally, that's actually pretty cool. I mean, it's pretty basic mic, you know, but it's better than this Afterglow, I promise you with that one. So, yeah. Well, I mean, yeah, obviously it's better than Afterglow. So, I guess I don't know if I should hook it up now, but I guess I will. Let me just show you. This right here. What's that? Is that an adjustable? No, it's not an adjustable thing. But I don't think I'm going to open it up, like put it in now. I will make a video. My next video will not my next video, because I'm actually uploading now, Counter-Strike. If you haven't checked out that video, it is, here's something. But the video is Counter-Strike Straight Out War. That video is just complete crazy. Bodies flying all over the place. Cabinets flying all over the place. So go check that out. I'm uploading the second part of that video, Straight Out War Part 2. That video is just crazy. I thought I did pretty good, like, for not playing that game for a long time, besides my 2 practice rounds that I uploaded. But anyways, after the video I upload that's about the video I'm uploading right now, I'm not going to have this new mic in, but the next one after that I will. At least should be, most likely. Almost impossible for me not to use this mic in my next video. So, yeah, I'll do this later. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like and subscribe so you'll hear me better. I know, you got a full burst that volume, you know, like my TTT video, that audio is just really messed up. Hey, I'm good at YouTubing, alright? Don't judge me. Make sure to like, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace. My new mic!